Okay, so that is that for now. So if you guys have no further questions, you can log off. I'll remain active for another minute or two. Otherwise, if you have other questions, just ask. I'll also be available tomorrow via email and WhatsApp. And I should be on campus Wednesday morning around about 9, but I have a meeting at 9 from 9 to 10. So then I will be at my office. Remember, for the exam, try to be at venue about 15 minutes beforehand so that we can start writing at 12. So yes, you should know what's Wien's law as well. Can we go over the patterns in the HR diagram? Okay, let me see if I'm going to get you an HR diagram. So from what time are you writing discrete maths? It's going to upload a HR diagram. And upload it. 9/11. I know this, that is bad. So in my undergraduate degrees, I also complained about it, but unfortunately, it's out of the lecturer's hands on the scheduled exam. So we have a bit of range over the semester test, but usually exams are scheduled a year in advance. So it makes it super hard to, basically impossible to move a semester test. So for the main sequence, so in this diagram, this is the main sequence. So in this diagram, the luminosity goes up, the higher we go, and on the bottom, the more left we go, the hotter it is. So here we have our white dwarfs, here we have our main sequence, here is the sun, here's our giant stars, here's our supergiants, and these are also supergiants. Here's our main stars, main sequence. For example, here's the sun, Betelgeuse would be around here, white dwarfs is here, L dwarfs, brown dwarfs will be around about here. So so what is the weight of the topics from 1 to 20? It's equal weighting. So now you're not going to fail discrete maths, you'll pass it. So right here, so here we can see where sun is where our solar mass is equals to 1. The higher we go up is usually higher solar masses. Going below it is smaller solar masses. So round about here is solar mass 1. So round about here would be a bit up. So the solar mass will go up and here the solar mass will go down. Any other questions, guys? So what is the sequence for a star diameter again? So it's a small little rhyme that you can remember. So it's O, B, A, fine, girl, kiss me. Or the other way around. O, B, A, fine guy, kiss me. Where O is the most luminous, then B, then A, then G, then K, then M. Yes, that is correct, Mr. Benedict. Are you guys writing anything tomorrow? So yes, Mr. Daniel, that's correct. So yes, O is the most luminous and hottest. So just easy to remember, says O be a fine girl, kiss me, or the other way around, O be a fine guy, kiss me. So yes, because it is more luminous and more hotter, it will be bigger. Yeah, you can call it that way as well, Mr. Benedict. So if you have no further questions, you are more than welcome to log off. If you have more questions, I will be active for another minute or two. Otherwise, good luck with your preparations for all your exams. I know it will go well. If you have further questions or I can help in any way, I will be available tomorrow and in tomorrow night's question answer session as well. Otherwise, have a wonderful evening and good luck with the preparations. And also, I know it's difficult beforehand, try to get a fair amount of sleep. It is a pleasure. In my, Mr. Pretorius, in my undergrad, I usually lived on BioPlus. So do planets reflect radio waves? Yes, they do. So some planets even emit a bit of radio waves. For example, Jupiter emits its radio waves as well. So we can actually observe Jupiter in a radio spectrum. I'm going to stop the recording.